Want to track Shopify purchases, add to carts, and checkouts inside Google Ads? In this video, I'll show you the complete Wixpa GTM setup that takes just a few minutes and helps you track conversions accurately. Let's get started. Install Wixpa GTM from Shopify Store. Inside your Shopify admin, open the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app. Go to Theme Activation, hit Activate. Then copy the activation code provided by Wixpa. Next, navigate to Settings. Go to Customer Events Add. Custom pixel paste the activation code, set permission option not required, save the pixel, and connect it. Your Shopify store is now connected with Wixpa. Before creating the pixel, make sure you have active Google Ads account. Added conversion actions like page view, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase. Also, for each conversion action, Google Ads will generate conversion ID and conversion labels. Copy and save all of these values because we'll need them during pixel setup. Now open the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app. Click Create Pixel. Connect your Google account. Add container. Next, select Google Ads as your platform. Enter the conversion ID and conversion label for page view, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase. After entering all the required details, click Save. It will take some time as data needs to populate. Your Google Ads pixel is now created successfully. Next, open Google Tag Manager. Navigate to the container associated with your Shopify store. You'll notice new changes have been added automatically. Click Submit and then publish the current version of the container. Once published, the tracking setup becomes live. Now click Preview the version in Google Tag Manager. Enter your Shopify store URL and connect Tag Assistant. Once connected, perform some actions on your store. Visit a product page, add a product to cart, and start checkout. As you complete these actions, return to the GTM preview window. You'll see the events appearing in real time and the corresponding Google Ads tags firing successfully. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected with Google Ads through Wixpa Google Tag Manager. The page view, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase events are now being tracked and sent to Google Ads for conversion measurement and campaign optimization. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.